Welcome to Simple Investing Secrets. In today's video, we'll look at 15 high-yield monthly dividend stocks to invest in. So before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. Let's get started. Monthly dividend stocks offer investors the opportunity to generate recurring passive income. This is more in line with when many regular bills come due, so an investor can use dividend income to cover expenses. Because of this, monthly dividend stocks are great for retirees and other investors whose portfolios are their main source of income. With monthly dividend payments in mind, here's a closer look at the top monthly high-yield dividend stocks for 2023. That combination makes these stocks great for earning passive income. In early 2022, nearly 50 stocks paid a monthly dividend. However, not all of them are worth an investor's consideration. Many didn't offer an above-average dividend yield. Others, on the other hand, seemed more likely to cut their dividends if the market conditions got worse. That narrows the options considerably. Let's take a closer look at each of these top monthly dividend stocks. Each offers a much higher dividend yield than the average stock in the S&P 500. Number 15. Generation Income Properties Incorporated, ticker, GIPR. Dividend yield as of November 23, 9.35%. Generation Income Properties Incorporated is a Florida-based real estate investment trust company, or REIT, that manages high-quality single-tenant properties. Generation Income Properties Incorporated started paying monthly dividends in January of 2022. The company currently offers a monthly dividend of $0.039 per share and has a dividend yield of 9.35%, as recorded on November 23. Number 14. Prospect Capital Corporation, ticker, PSEC. Dividend yield as of November 23, 9.28%. Prospect Capital Corporation is a New York-based business development company that makes debt and equity investments in the U.S. The company offers a monthly dividend of 6 cents per share and has a dividend yield of 9.28%, as of November 23. It has been making consistent dividend payments for the past 63 months, which makes it one of the best highest-paying monthly dividend stocks. In fiscal Q1 2023, Prospect Capital Corporation reported a total investment income of $202.6 million, which saw a 19.6% growth from the same period last year. The company distributed over $1.4 billion among shareholders during the quarter. Number 13. Cross Timbers Royalty Trust, ticker, CRT. Dividend yield as of November 23, 8.88%. Cross Timbers Royalty Trust is a type of express trust that collects and sends net profits to shareholders every month. On November 18, 2022, the company declared an 8% increase in its monthly payout to $0.161 per share. The stock has a dividend yield of 8.88%, as recorded on November 23. Number 12. Stellas Capital Investment Corporation, ticker, SCM. Dividend yield as of November 23, 8.12%. Stellas Capital Investment Corporation is a Texas-based externally managed investment company that mainly invests in lower-middle market companies. In October 2022, Janney Montgomery initiated its coverage of the stock with a neutral rating, highlighting the company's acquisitions, growth capital, and recapitalizations to private lower-middle market companies. This makes the company one of the best highest-paying monthly dividend stocks. As of November 23, the stock has a dividend yield of 8.12%. Stellas Capital Investment Corporation currently pays a monthly dividend of $0.0933 per share. On October 5, 2022, the company also announced a special dividend of 2 cents per share, which was the company's second consecutive month of special dividends. Number 11. Gladstone Capital Corporation, ticker, GLAD. Dividend yield as of November 23, 8.08%. Gladstone Capital Corporation is a Virginia-based company that provides financial solutions for lower-middle market companies worldwide. On October 19, 2022, Gladstone Capital Corporation announced a 3.7% hike in its monthly dividend to 7 cents per share. This was the company's second consecutive year of dividend growth after the pandemic of 2020. This makes the company one of the best highest-paying monthly dividend stocks on our list. As of November 23, the stock has a dividend yield of 8.08%. Number 10. Main Street Capital Corporation, ticker, MAIN. Dividend yield as of November 23, 7.00%. Main Street Capital Corporation is an American principal investment firm that provides long-term and equity capital to lower and middle market companies. On November 2, 2022, The company declared a 2.3% hike in its monthly dividend to $0.225 per share. This was the company's second consecutive monthly dividend increase. Moreover, it has raised its dividends consistently for the past 7 years. Its dividend growth streak and supplemental dividends make it one of the best highest-paying dividend stocks. The stock's yield on November 23 came in at 7.00%. Number 9. Gladstone Investment Corporation, ticker GAIN. Gladstone Investment Corporation is a business development company based in Virginia that buys middle-market companies with strong management teams and good financials. In November of 2022, Ladenburg upgraded the stock to buy with a $14 price target, following the company's quarterly beat. The firm also appreciated the company's dividend income and base management fee credits. On October 11, 2022, Gladstone Investment Corporation declared a 6.7% hike in its monthly dividend to 8 cents per share. This makes the company one of the best highest-paying monthly dividend stocks on our list. As of November 23, the stock has a dividend yield of 6.81%. Number 8. EPR Properties, ticker ERP. Dividend yield as of November 23, 8.05%. Another high-paying monthly dividend stock on our list is EPR Properties, which is a Missouri-based real estate investment trust company. EPR Properties is a real estate investment trust, or REIT. Its main business is owning entertainment properties like movie theaters, places where you can eat and play, ski resorts, and casinos. It makes sure that these properties are safe by signing triple net leases with the people who run the venues. This means that the tenants are responsible for the building's insurance, maintenance, and taxes. The COVID-19 pandemic had a significant impact on experiential real estate. Many of these places had to temporarily shut down or work with fewer people. That made it harder for them to pay rent, so in 2020, EPR Properties had to stop giving out its monthly dividend. But now that vaccines are widely available, more people feel like they can go out and have fun again. Because of that, EPR's tenants are catching up on their rent. That allowed this REIT to resume its monthly dividend in July 2021. Even though ERP Properties already has a good yield, the company could make it even better as it grows and adds to its portfolio. It went into 2022 with a lot of cash on hand and a strong balance sheet. This gave it the money to buy more entertainment-focused real estate. Online streaming is causing problems for movie theaters, so EPR wants to buy more attractions that people can only see when they leave their homes. That could improve its dividend's long-term durability. In August, Bank of America maintained a buy rating on the stock with a $55 price target, as the theater audience was expected to increase post-pandemic. On November 16, 2022, EPR Properties announced a monthly dividend of $0.275 per share, consistent with its previous dividend. The stock's dividend yield on November 23 came in at 8.05%. Number 7. Broadmark Realty Capital Incorporated, ticker BRMK. Dividend yield as of November 23, 10.01%. Broadmark Realty Capital Incorporated is a real estate investment trust, or REIT with its main office in Washington, D.C. Piper Sandler kept the stock's underweight rating and $5.50 price target because they were worried about inflation and rate volatility. On November 16, 2022, Broadmark Realty Capital Incorporated declared a monthly dividend of $0.035 per share. The stock's dividend yield on November 23 came in at 10.01%. It paid $9.3 million in dividends during the quarter, which places it as one of the best highest-paying monthly dividend stocks. Number 6. Gladstone Commercial Corporation, ticker GOOD. Dividend yield as of November 23, 8.05%. Gladstone Commercial is a diversified REIT. It focuses on owning net leased office and industrial properties in the U.S., which together make up 48% of its portfolio. It also owns some retail and medical office buildings. This REIT also concentrates on secondary markets because they offer higher investment yields. Because of this strategy, Gladstone has a very stable source of income, which has allowed it to keep paying dividends. The REIT has paid more than 200 consecutive monthly dividends either at or above the prior month's level. It offers a high yield with modest growth. Over the years, Gladstone Commercial has added more and more office and industrial buildings to its portfolio. It went into 2022 with enough money and good finances to pay its monthly dividend and keep growing its portfolio. Number 5. LTC Properties, ticker LTC. Dividend yield as of November 23, 5.85%. LTC Properties Incorporated is a California-based real estate investment trust company that invests in senior housing and healthcare facilities. LTC Properties is a healthcare REIT. It mostly puts money into senior housing and skilled nursing properties that are backed by triple net leases, mortgage loans, and other investment structures that bring in cash. This strategy provides the REIT with a relatively steady income to support its monthly dividend. The pandemic hit the senior housing sector hard, impacting LTC Properties tenants. Several struggled to pay rent, which led some to file for bankruptcy. However, this REIT used its financial strength to weather the storm and offset some of the lost income with new investments. That's allowed it to maintain its monthly dividend. On November 18, 2022, the company declared a monthly dividend of 18 cents per share, which fell in line with its previous dividend. Though the company hasn't raised its dividends since 2016, it maintained its payments throughout these years. As of November 23, the stock has a dividend yield of 5.85%. LTC Properties Incorporated is one of the best highest-paying monthly dividend stocks and can be added to dividend portfolios alongside famous companies like 3M, Target Corporation, and Colgate-Palmolive. In the third quarter of 2022, LTC Properties Incorporated reported revenue of $43.5 million, which beat estimates by $1.8 million. The company's revenue also presented a 16.1% growth from the same period last year. At the end of September, it had over $6.4 million available in cash and cash equivalents, compared with $5.1 million 9 months ago. As the pandemic ends, the market should get better, so LTC Properties rental income should go up in 2023. Add in its recent investments, and this REIT's high-yielding monthly dividend seems sustainable. Number 4. Pennant Park Floating Rate Capital Limited, ticker, PFLT. Dividend yield as of November 23, 10.04%. Pennant Park Floating Rate Capital Limited is an American non-diversified investment management company that generates income by investing in U.S. middle-market companies. In the past 6 months, the stock has delivered a 1.7% return to shareholders, as of the close of November. Number 3. Horizon Technology Finance Corporation, ticker, HRZN. Dividend yield as of November 23, 2022, 10.05%. Horizon Technology Finance Corporation is an American specialty finance company that focuses on structural debt products for companies in the life sciences and technology industries. In October 2022, Yana Montgomery started following the stock and gave it a neutral rating. She liked the company's strong brand and more space for venture debt. Horizon Technology Finance Corporation announced on November 3, 2022 that its monthly dividend had been raised by 10%, to 11 cents per share. This was the first time the company raised its payout since 2016. However, it has been making consistent dividend payments to shareholders for the past 10 years, which makes it one of the best highest-paying monthly dividend stocks. The stock's dividend yield on November 23 came in at 10.05%. Number 2. SL Green, ticker, SLG. Dividend yield as of November 23, 9.16%. SL Green is another REIT and the largest office landlord in New York City. While the city's office sector has faced some pandemic-related challenges, SL Green has held up relatively well. That's due in large part to its focus on owning some of the highest quality office properties in the city. This is good for this REIT because the city's office market is getting better and tenants are putting more effort into finding good space for their employees. This office REIT rented out more than its goal in 2021, and it plans to rent out even more in 2023. The demand shows that companies expect to return to their Big Apple offices in the future. Meanwhile, office buildings remain highly sought after by institutional investors, such as pension funds, because they generate predictable income. That has allowed SL Green to sell select properties at attractive prices. It used that cash to repay debt, repurchase stock, fund new developments, and make acquisitions. These factors have also enabled this REIT to continue paying a growing dividend. In 2021, it notched its 11th consecutive dividend increase, making it a dividend achiever. Since the market is getting better and new projects are paying off, SL Green should be able to keep growing its dividend in the future. Number 1. Armor Residential REIT Incorporated, ticker, ARR. Dividend yield as of November 23, 20.80%. Armor Residential REIT Incorporated is an American real estate investment trust company. In October, B. Riley maintained a neutral rating on the stock with a $6 price target, presenting a positive stance on mortgage real estate investment trusts. On November 22, 2022, ARMOR Residential REIT Incorporated announced that it would pay a monthly dividend of 10 cents per share, just like it did before. The stock's dividend yield on November 23 came in at 20.80%. As of the close of Q3 2022, 8 hedge funds tracked by Insider Monkey own stakes in ARMOR Residential REIT Incorporated, up from 5 in the previous quarter. The collective value of these stakes is over $23.8 million. This concludes our list of the best 15 high-yield monthly dividend stocks to invest in. Before putting your hard-earned money into buying stocks or investing in the market, you should always do your research and due diligence. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates on the best stocks to buy and cutting-edge investment strategies for building wealth. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your investments.